Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new to me, my name is Tracy. For today's video, you probably clicked on it because you're trying to go to a Gatsby party or it's just your Halloween costume. I've been getting requests to do more Halloween makeup looks that are more wearable, like to go to parties and stuff like that, so that's what I want to continue to do here on my channel. This video is in collaboration with one of my Instagram friends named Catalina, or Kathy, you can call her Kathy. She also did a Flapper Girl makeup look, a Gatsby theme. I'm going to go ahead and put all of her information down below. She's here on YouTube as well and on Instagram, so I'll put both of those links down in the description box, so make sure you do go check her out. She does really beautiful subtle looks that I think are very wearable for an everyday person. She's always so on trend with all of the makeup collections launching, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave her information down below like I mentioned already. And if you're interested in seeing how I created my Gatsby look, then just keep watching.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
My daughter freaking took my little headpiece that I had originally for this look, and also my pearl necklace, so that sucks. I do have this little thing that I seen Khloe Kardashian wear for one of her Gatsby parties. I think it was for Kris Jenner's party. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I don't want the bangs. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply like a little necklace. Alright, and then I'm still going to get in more costume, but let's go ahead and play with some makeup now. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to be using is this Carity eye primer. And this is a long-lasting anti-crease primer, so hopefully that's true. It's my first time using it. I'm going to be taking Carity's E28 brush and then going ahead and just blending that into my crease. So Kathy did a smoky eye, and I wanted to do something different because if you guys are coming over from her channel, I want you guys to see a different look and not just another smoky eye. I'm going to be using this Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette, and this is one that I received in my previous BOXYCHARM. And most of you guys probably already have it, so I just wanted to put it to use, and maybe you guys can recreate this look at home. I am going to be playing with the lighter shades, which are going to be the lighter shades up here. This is such a pretty palette. I've only used it once, and that was to review my BOXYCHARM box for you guys. For my transition color, I'm going to take the color Nocturnal, and that is the lightest shade. It's a really weird transitional color that I'm picking out, but let's just go with it. And this is a Morphe brush. It's a really fluffy one. It doesn't have a number on it because I did buy it in a set, and I always mention to you guys, but in case you're new to my channel, I just wanted to let you know. This is the Bronze Collection set, and it didn't have the number. What do you guys enjoy most about my Halloween looks? Are you guys enjoying more of the glam looks, or are you guys enjoying like the really big transformation videos that I've been making lately here on my channel? Because if you guys want more glam, then I'm going to go ahead and start filming for the rest of the month more glam looks. But if you guys want a combination of both, just let me know down in the comments of what you guys want to see here on my channel. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape to... I am seriously almost out of this. I'm going to take some of that Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to go ahead and start creating a halo eye. The brush that I am using is a painting brush from Michaels, and it makes cut creases and halo eyes super easy to do. Just showing you what the brush looks like. I'm going to take the color Break Free and using the Sigma Firm Shader E57, looks like that. I'm just going to go ahead and dip into this color here. I'm going to take some of this Tarte Ready Set Radiant Spray Mist and just apply that to the brush. I've already used this in my last Halloween tutorial, but I love it. This is the Pixie Beauty Fairy Lights Crystalline Glitter. And I'm just going to apply it to where the white is, because this is like a white glitter. Then the next brush that I'm using looks like this here. And this is by Alamar Cosmetics. I received this in one of my BOXYCHARMs as well. This is just really small and very flat and precise. For the next color that I'm going to be taking is this one here. This one is called Clutch. And same thing with that one. I'm going to go ahead and dip into that color and then just go ahead and spritz it. And then just apply it to the outer section here. Pretty impressed with these eyeshadow colors. These are really pretty. I didn't use these the last time I did a tutorial with them. Next, I'm going to be using this Morphe Angled Fluffy brush. And I'm going to take the color Flip Out. And I'm just going to apply it to the outer edges. And using the angled part just to tap it on. Also repeat that to the inner corner right here. Just tap. And darken that corner up. I want to keep the bottom really light as well, so I'm going to go ahead and use this Ruby Kiss Cosmetics Metallic Gold Eyeliner. Brush, I'm going to go ahead and dip into the same color Clutch, which is this one right here, and then just go underneath that. And then going back in with the angled brush, and I'm going to take the color, I think I'm going to go with this color right here. It's called After Midnight. And then just put that at the outer corner of the eye. I know I said I wanted to keep it light, but this is pretty light to me, right? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step to this eye and apply some mascara, and I'll be right back. In case you guys want to know what mascara I used the Sigma Sinuosity Lash. The applicator looks like this. It's like a little bent spoolie. I don't know, it makes my eyelashes look longer than they really are. For lashes, I'm going to be using these Lash and Crown Beauty lashes, and these are in the style The Royal Ball. And they look like this here. Super cute packaging. Since the eyelashes have a little bit of a thicker band, I'm going to go ahead and take a pencil eyeliner. This is a felt tip liquid eyeliner by Joa Beauty. And this is a true matte black, so I'm just going to go ahead and take a very thin line and just follow my lash line. And I did want to mention that if you're interested in these lashes, I do have an affiliate link with Lash and Crown Beauty. These lashes are the most dramatic lashes from their collections. They're very, very pretty. You seriously do not need an eyeliner to wear these. So if your look is very subtle, this just makes your look pop, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and skip through the face process because I do have a How I Contour video up above. I'm going to go ahead and link it up here so you can go ahead and check that out. So let's get this face snatched. So this is the final look. I really hope that you guys like this Gatsby look. Whether you're watching it right now during Halloween time or in the future and you're going to be going to a Gatsby party, I really hope that you did enjoy this video and that you found it helpful. If you have any questions for me, feel free to leave your questions down below in the comment section. And thank you so much for being here today. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey you guys, don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, which are on the left side of the screen. If you click the little circle in the middle of the screen with my picture on it, it does subscribe you to my channel, and on the right side of the screen, you can find my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.